A very good morning, children. Continue the same chapter. Open your book at page number 128. Show jumps with 4 steps. Children, see. 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4. Then 2 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. So this is the table of 4. And in this way you have to complete this page by yourself. Come to the page number 129. Again this page will be done by yourself. This is the try jumps with 7 steps. See, 1 multiplied by 7. Then after 7, second steps, it again 7 steps, it will come to step number 14. So 2 multiplied by 7 is equal to 14. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. So in this way, also complete this page. Now come to the next page, 130. Stick play. Mithu had some sticks. She arranged them like this. Children, see. 1 times 5 is equal to 5. Children, see. Mithu had some sticks. She had 5 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And when she places 1 stick here, then this stick will cross at 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 times 5. When she places this stick, then again 5 here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 3 times 5 is equal to 15. And 4 times 5 is equal to 20. You can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So in this way, see, she found that 4 times 5 is 20. How many times the sticks were crossing each other? 20 times these sticks were crossing with each other. In the same way, let's try making a 2 times table with sticks. See, this is 1 times 2. This is a stick. 1 times 2. Then 2 times 4. 2 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crossing 4 times. 3 times 2. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this way, it will become the table of 2. Complete this page also. Come to the next page. Now draw sticks to make the multiplication table of 6. Children, in the same way, you have to draw the table of 6. See, I have done here. There are 6 sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I am pressing here, then it crosses at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6. 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. See, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the same way, it will end at 60. Hope you understood this tables. Now come to the next point, shopping with tables. How much do these things cost? 4 toffees cost dash rupees. Children, see. There are 4 toffees and each toffee cost rupees 2. Rupees 2 each. Then how much will be the cost? Total cost will be the 4. Number of total toffees कितनी है हमारे पास? 4. And which number is repeating again and again? 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. The cost of toffees, 4 toffees will be 8 rupees. Now you will write here 8. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. 3 pencil boxes cost dash rupees. See, 3 pencil boxes cost dash rupees. 3 pencil box and 1 box cost rupees 10. Then 3 multiplied by 10. 3 tens are 30. Write down 30. Next one is 10 pencil box cost rupees dash. So 10 multiplied by 10 is equal to 100. Next is 9 balloons cost dash rupees. See, 1 balloon cost rupees 5. Then 9 multiplied by 5 is equal to 9 table, 9 का table बोलो, 9 5s are 45. Now come to the next page, 132. 5 toys cost dash rupees. See, these are the 5 toys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each toy cost rupees 4. Then 5 multiplied by 4. 5 fours are 20. Write down 20 rupees. 7 face masks cost dash rupees. 7 face masks. 1 mask cost rupees 3. Then 7 multiplied by 3 is 21 rupees. The total cost will be 21 rupees. Now practice trying complete the following. Children, do this page also. 2 sevens are 14, 4 nines are 36. So it is very important to learn the table. So complete this question. Next one is look at the patterns and complete them. Children who have already done the patterns, like skip counting in the first jump. See, 3, 6, 9. The gap is 3. Next will be 12. Or you can see this is the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. Next 2, 4, 6. Table of 2, 8, 10, 12. Similarly 10, 20, 30. There will be difference of 10, 40, 50, 60. In the same way you have to complete this page. Now come to the next page, 133. It is very simple, so you can do very easily. Complete the multiplication tree. Children, see very carefully. See, this is a multiplication tree. In this 10 is here, and how you will get the 10 in the tables? You can get like this. 2 5s are 10, or 5 2s are 10. And और हमें कैसे मिल सकता है 10? 10 multiplied by 1 is 10 ones are 10. Clear? In the same way you have to do this. 12. How we can get the 12? Now learn the table, read the table. 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So write down 4 multiplied by 3, 12, or 3 multiplied by 4, 12. और कैसे मिल सकता है 12? कौन सी टेबल में 12 आता है? 2 6 are 12, 6 2s are 12. Even you can also write down here 12 multiplied by 1, 12 ones are 12. You can also write here. Similarly 18, 2 9s are 18, 9 2s are 18. 6 की टेबल 6 3s are 18, or 3 6 are 18. So in the same manner you have to complete this multiplication tree. Now come to the next page, page number 134. See, how many in all? The almirah has 4 shelves. This is an almirah, and this almirah has 4 shelves, 1 2 3 and 4, and each almirah, and there are 5 books in each shelf. Then how many books are in the almirah? Simply you have to multiply by 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20 books. Next one is, a shirt has 5 buttons. How many buttons would 3 shirts have? Children, see, a shirt has 5 buttons. First method is 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Instead of adding these 5 3 times, you can multiply it by 5 3s are 15. So there will be 15 buttons in total. Next one is, there are 4 fans. Each fan has 3 blades. What is the total number of blades? 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. A box contains 6 apples. How many apples in all will 7 boxes have? See, addition will be it will take a time when we add 7 plus 7 when we add 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 and so on. So how many boxes? 7, and each box has 6 apples. So 6 multiplied 7 is equal to 42. How many corners would 4 triangles have? You already know that in triangle there are how many corners? 3 corners. You already done in the shapes and design chapter. So there are 4 triangles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 triangles and each triangle has 3 corners. So total number of corners will be 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. Now next is, these are the multiplication, these are the tables. 8 3s are 24. 3 multiply, you can write any number. 3 multiply by 9b, you can write here. So you can write anything. I write 3 7s are 21. Here is 42. Then in which table it become 42? 7 6 are, or 6 7s are 42. So in this way you have to complete this page also. So I hope you understood today's work and try to complete the book at the end of 134. Try to complete the book till here. Thank you.